welcome to my channel. My name's Wendy, and a little bit about myself. I'm from Ohio and I have 3 kids, and I have a husband, and he is considered an essential worker, so he's working. Pretty much with everything going on in the world, it's really scary right now. I'm not trying to have anybody buy anything. I'm just doing this because it gives me something to do, guys, as well as viewers, to see what's inside these boxes and also explore a little bit. Get out of your comfort zone like I do. You might find out that it's actually you and you like a look or something, you know, and it doesn't matter. But we're gonna unbox today the Allure Beauty Box and Ipsy, and we're gonna see which one won. This one is $12 a month, this one's $15 a month. We're gonna see which one. We're pretty much gonna put them in a battle and see who's gonna win. If you like that, then stick around and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get into this. Well, let's see, which one do you guys want to do first? This one or this one? Let's see. We'll do the Allure. In the Allure box we have here, we have a little pamphlet, and it tells us a little bit about each of the products. And let's see what's in this box. Let's get this out of the way here. Here's what's inside this month. And we have, first off, we have a Radical Glamolash Mascara XXL, and this retails for $28, full size. This is a full size. Pretty much, there's an Allure 20 at checkout to receive 20% off if you guys would like to get 20% off your order. I'm not gonna read what's in here because it's pretty much what the editor is saying. It's not really telling you about the product, so I'm just gonna read what I can from the product itself and not read the pamphlet. And then next we have in here Rose Water Toner. The rose scent to it. It's strength of a beauty can be discovered in flowers. Soothing and moisturizer. It smells like rose. Yeah, it does smell like rose. So there's people out there that does not like the rose smell. If you do not like the rose smell, you won't like to use this. But the retail value of this is $16.10. And this is probably the full size, and this is just the sample size, so this is probably like $4 probably. Next we have in here is an Urban Decay 24/7 eyeliner. It is a deluxe sample size. The full size is $22. Pretty much it says take 10 and you get 10% off your order on their Urban Decay website. So want to do that, you can. And that's what it looks like. It's just a regular eyeliner, and honestly these are my favorite eyeliners that are like this where you sharpen them. And then we have this, and then in here we got this Allure by Jean Seo-Erase Cleansing Exfoliating and Brightening Powder. And it says combine the loose powder exfoliate made with milk powder and oats with water, apply, wait a minute, massage it away. It unclogs pores and renders skin as soft as a baby in a tiny velour tracksuit. So it says this retails for $15. Again, I don't know if this is the full size or if this is a deluxe size, but it's pretty full. It's all the way up to here. And this is 2 ounces, so I'm gonna have to look this up and see if this is considered full size or if this is a sample size. But you put a little bit in your hand and you mix it with water, and then you massage it into your face, and that's pretty much it. And then you wipe it off, of course. You don't want to leave it. And then here we have gloss by my new favorite gloss from Floss, and this is $16. And it's just pretty much a clear lip gloss, and it says my new favorite lip gloss on the back of it, and it says what, 12 months, so it's good for 12 months, so that's good. So we have that, and then we have this sheet mask by Lapkos, and mine is Ceramiditing. I don't know, these brands on here sometimes and the names they come up with is just crazy. So But this is the sheet mask you got. And then since this is my first month signing back up with Allure, they sent me this Ofra highlighter by Nikki Tutorials. And it's a collab they did, and it's just a highlighter. And we'll see what it looks like. That's what it looks like right there. It's this one right here. This is from other stuff, but this is it. And then let's rub it in and see what it actually looks like. If you would use all of them with a finger anyhow, you wouldn't do that with, you do that with a brush, and it'd probably look much lighter and better. But that's what it would look like, and this is what it looks like on the inside after I swatched it. Pretty much that. Okay, so we got, that's what we got in the Allure. We got the sheet mask, the Nikki Tutorials, lip gloss, we got this, we got the toner, we got the eyeliner, and we got mascara. So that's what we got in that one. So let's see what we got in our Ipsy this month. And Ipsy, we're supposed to get 6 items this month because it's their 100th glam bag, and we have stuff inside. And let's see for our card. I'm pretty sure there's nothing else in there. And for our card, well, for our card, we don't have anything that explains anything. It just says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all it says. So we're just gonna have to go at it ourselves. So we have this Luxie brush in this one. It's pretty, a Luxie brush. I think this was $24 in my other bag because I did get another bag. So just for this brush was $24, so it pretty much paid for your Ipsy. But I guess I get 2 of them this month. And then 2 sheet masks. And then we have in here our bronzer and Americano. And this is what it looks like. I'm not going to swatch it because I already have one, so maybe I'll keep it for a giveaway or give it to my sister or my niece or something. And then we have an eyeliner, a liquid eyeliner from Illamasqua. And it's just a regular eyeliner. I'm not even going to open it because I don't need it open right now. And then we have a Wonder Beauty. I think this is the one I got too. And it was really hard to open. And it's this beautiful pink color. And then we have this Tarte Quench Hydrating Primer. And it's by Tarte. It says Tarte of the Sea. So the Ipsy bag, we got this little bag right here with the studs. And then it has green there like that. And then it has Ipsy 100 on the back. So we got the bag. We got the Hydrating Primer Tarte from Tarte. We got the eyeliner, the brush, the eyeshadow from Wonder Beauty, Ofra bronzer, and a 2 sheet mask. So let's see, which one do you think won? Do you think it was Ipsy or Allure Beauty? So we got Ipsy or Allure Beauty. Which one do you guys think won? Comment below and let me know if you guys would rather have gotten the Ipsy or the Allure. I think personally, keep like a little bit from each box and then create my own box because that's what I would do. But if I would have to pick the winner, I would say Allure. Only because in Allure I got this eyeliner and this lip gloss and this right here, this highlighter. And probably if I wouldn't have got the highlighter as the extra thing, I probably wouldn't say Allure. I would probably go with this because the brush, the Ofra one, and this. But you guys comment below and let me know which one you guys think won. Don't forget to subscribe so you guys can get updated with all my videos I upload.